surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, I don't mind a little cry.
Hey guys, welcome to Homemaking Heaven. I'm Kristen, and in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a quick 15-minute speed clean, and I'm so excited because today's video is in collaboration with one of my good friends here on YouTube, Jessie, and her channel is Mama Jessie J. I will have everything for her linked down below, and I'm going to let her introduce herself now.
Hey y'all, my name is Jessica from Mama Jessie J. I like to post motherhood, cleaning, lifestyle, and shopping hauls over on my channel. So if you enjoy that kind of thing, I would love to see you after you finish Kristen's video. Kristen, thank you so much for collabing with me on today's video. It has been such a pleasure getting to know you.
Thank you so much, Jessie, for doing this collab with me. I feel so blessed and honored to be doing this with you today. And please, guys, don't forget to go watch Jessie's video when you're done with mine to get a ton of cleaning motivation. Now, I plan on turning the camera around and showing you guys what my house looks like without touching anything. This is just a real quick 15-minute pickup speed clean, but I also want to let you guys know if you're new here and coming over from Jessie's channel, first of all, welcome. And I also want to let you guys know that if you're new here, I suffer with OCD and health anxiety. I've been clinically diagnosed, and I am definitely an obsessive compulsive cleaner. So a lot of times I don't have like huge messes, but I do have like clutter here and there, and I love to film when I go over and do like decluttering and organizing and things like that. But I just want to let you guys know that up front. So if you need any support, if you suffer from any of those things, then this is definitely the channel for you. But all right, I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you guys what the house looks like. All right, so this is my entryway. We normally don't really play or live in this space of the house, so it stays pretty like tidy most of the time. I still have this car seat that I'm waiting to get rid of, a couple of dog toys and another toy. Of course, I have a cute little dachshund. I have to show her. This is Cora Sue. She's my sweet little girl. Say hello. I have some play clothes back there. And then of course, I've got trucks and toys scattered. I have 3 boys. I have a 14-year-old, a 10-year-old, and a 3-year-old. So I still have quite the toddler messes around. Again, I need to get rid of that basket. That's gonna go to Goodwill. The handle broke. And then of course, here is my collie puppy, Bentley. He is almost 2 years old this year. Yeah, can you say hello? He is such a good boy. He is just like Lassie. All right, so moving on. Of course, the pillows are just thrown everywhere from my little toddler Jensen, more of his toys. And so this is the room that we pretty much full-time have most of the toys stored and live. Of course, I'm gonna have to clean the door off. I've got some of my cross-stitch stuff and just things kind of randomly scattered about. And I've got some things in the kitchen as well that need to be taken care of. So I need to wipe all the counters down, clean up some of that clutter over there. I've got some dishes in the sink. So I hope that you guys will join me as I set the clock for 15 minutes and speed clean this house. And I hope that it gives you a ton of motivation.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness hadn't fought it, just like a void, but you holding on, I wouldn't let you go. 'Cause every time I try, you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I run away, hit the road in an Mustang, but I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop. No matter what you do, I keep on coming back, just like a boomerang, just like a boomerang, just like a boomerang. I keep on spinning like a boomerang. You know exactly where to push or pull, and I am going mad just like you knew I would. You're reading me like an open book.
All right, guys, I am done with my 15-minute speed clean. I did go just a little bit over to finish the vacuuming in the back room, but overall, I got it done in 15 minutes. I did not run the duster over some of my furniture pieces, but that is okay. Here are my little puppies. Say hello. All right, moving into this room. I hope this gave you guys some good motivation today to do some light cleaning in your house, maybe tidying or just run the vacuum, anything like that. It will make you feel so much better. It helps me out so much. Please make sure to go watch Jessie's video when you are done with mine. Thank you all for joining me today. And as always, much love. Bye.
What's it